Welcome back. There are 42 main sounds in the Jolly Phonics. Instead of just learning the alphabet names, children are taught the actual sounds that letters and letter groups make. These 42 sounds are divided into 7 groups to help build early reading and spelling skills. S, A, T, P, I. This represents the first 6 letters and sounds taught in early phonics because these letters include continuous sounds and a short vowel. They allow children to blend sounds together to build numerous simple 2 and 3 letter CVC words. Now let's look into the 2 letter words. A, T, at. A, an. I, in. I, is. It, it. 3 letter words. S, a, t, sat. S, a, p, sap. S, I, p, sip. S, I, t, sit. A, t, ant. T, a, p, tap. T, I, tin. T, I, p, tip. P, a, pan. P, a, t, pat. P, I, pin. P, I, t, pit. A, p, nap. I, p, nip. I, t, knit.